Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Sunday morning vlog. Guess what? We are back on the Strip, and we are in a hotel.
We are another Strip mini staycation overnighter.
They're pretty cheap, so, we might as well get them while we can, right?
Right. We are at Paris, Las Vegas, just going to stay the one night.
Yeah, we decided to do the intro from the room because if we were outside, we'd have to have the mask on, and then you couldn't see our pretty faces, right?
There you go.
All right, get ready because we're going to go explore as much as we can about the Paris because we're not exactly sure. The rules have changed again, guys.
They sure have.
Yeah, we'll let you know as we go along what the rules are. Anyway, this adventure starts right now. There is a huge parking garage that serves both Paris and Bally's. If you're driving, go east on Flamingo Road past the Strip and turn right into the first driveway in front of Bally's. You will make a left up a ramp and find the parking garage right around the bend. And parking is free, at least for now. In these strange times, the check-in process at Paris was the most strict of any we have encountered so far. Only the person on the reservation can even enter the lobby, and every step is guided by guards all the way to the self-check-in kiosk. As we mentioned, we had done a walkthrough of the Paris last year, and I just want to show you a bit of this gorgeous lobby as it was actually meant to be experienced. Okay, let's go check out the room. This is the One King Burgundy room at the Paris, their standard room newly remodeled. The decor is European with a crisp brown and white color palette accented with vibrant burgundy. The room is 390 square feet with a full-size desk, a really classy armoire, and a huge TV. The bathroom features a marble counter and a nice, sizable tiled shower.
Well, hey, here we are. It is 2 weeks to the day since we did our Harrah's staycation. We are at the Paris, just a few doors down, another Caesars property. We paid $66 for this particular room, and it's got the same set of resort fees actually as the Harrah's did, so a total of $50 for resort fee and tax. So that's $116 for this room. And if you did watch the Harrah's staycation, you're going to see a drastic difference between the size of the room and the amenities in the room as well. But $116 for a night on the Strip on a Sunday in July is certainly nothing to sneeze at. So we're not sure what we're going to be able to show you today. We met someone in the elevator that said we might not be able to get into the pool, so we're going to try. We'll see what we can show you at the Paris, and of course, if there's not a lot going on here, we'll go out on the Strip because there's definitely a lot of people here. It is 4th of July Independence Day weekend here in Vegas. So we're going to go exploring.
So it turns out the intel we got in the elevator on the way upstairs about the pool was in fact true. We could not get in. The concierge told us that the pool was at capacity for the day, but we were allowed to pop just inside the area to capture a couple of quick pans. The Soleil Pool area is located on the roof of Paris and directly under the Eiffel Tower replica. How's that for a location? And in fact, even though we couldn't walk through it, we captured a bird's eye view from the Eiffel Tower observation deck. As luck would have it, we also got a good shot of it from our Bally's staycation earlier this year. Paris opened here on the Strip in 1999, sitting on about 24 acres. The original cost was $760 million, and the inspiration from its namesake is everywhere you look out here. The replica of the Arc de Triomphe is 2/3 the size of the original, but just look at the detail on the structure. It is exquisite. Out at the street is the Paris Marquis, shaped like the famous Montgolfier hot air balloon. As we walk the front of Paris along Las Vegas Boulevard, we just marvel at the architecture and carvings above our heads, suggesting famous Paris landmarks like the Louvre and the Paris Opera House. And this 540-foot tall Eiffel Tower, well, it's really hard to miss. We'll be telling you more about that in just a minute. Beer Park is right here on the corner of the building, and it is named among the Strip's best rooftop bars. ESPN SportsCenter and other national broadcasters use this excellent spot for live feeds. It is the best place to be for sports lovers, beer lovers, and hungry fans of burgers and brisket. This colorful awning advertises Alexa's bar, and according to the Paris website, she's a force of nature in love with the world around her. Enjoy delicious drinks, light bites, and live music stripside at Alexa's. Just next door is the Hex Kitchen and Bar, which offers patio dining and unparalleled views of the Strip. The menu features fresh American cuisine and excellent cocktails. Mon Ami Gabi, situated right here along the sidewalk on the world-famous Strip, has one of the best locations in town, and it is also a Best of Las Vegas winner, which is well-deserved. Not only do you have this view and ambiance and the fantastic French-inspired food, but also a list of more than 80 boutique French wines are available. We just love it here, and we'll be back a little bit later for dinner. Okay, everybody, we're just going to pull our masks down here for a minute. Not a lot of people down here, but boy, is it hot, is it not?
It's very hot. Sweat's pouring off of us. We've just walked the front of Paris and captured what we hope is some really good footage, but it is well over 100. It's blistering out here.
Yeah. All right, now we're going to go see if the Eiffel Tower is open. I'm not sure if it is, but we're going to go check it out.
Yeah, our next great adventure.
All right.
The must-do attraction at Paris, Las Vegas is to go up onto the viewing deck in the Eiffel Tower. Nowadays, that opens at 4 p.m., and I was first in line. This half-scale replica of the Eiffel Tower is one of the most recognizable pieces of the Las Vegas skyline, day or night. We took our 4K video camera up that 46-story elevator to capture some of the gorgeous views of the Strip and the entire Las Vegas Valley, and the results are pretty spectacular.
This is a half scale to the original, built from the blueprint of the original. We're only a half scale because the airport of McCarran is a mile and a half away. The airport found out we were building a full scale. They said, no, you're not. They said, we've been in this city for 31 years and you cannot interfere with our flight pattern. So what we did was we succumbed to the half scale, which is 460 feet.
The elevator doors opened to a breathtaking view. There was hardly anyone on the observation deck, as you know, because we were first ones up there, and I immediately turned off to my right because I wanted to take a look at the Bellagio and the lake and off to the west of the Las Vegas Valley. There are little portholes where you can put your camera lens and try to capture an unobstructed view, so I did that as I went around the observation deck. After I finished with Bellagio, I took a peek at Caesars and off to the northwest. And then looking straight up the strip, you see the Mirage, the Venetian, the Palazzo, and off into the distance. Looking through another porthole way off in the distance to the northeast is Nellis Air Force Base, and right in front of me is the beautiful High Roller and the Link. And you can see the rooftops of Bally's and Paris. And as we showed you earlier, we had this excellent view of the Paris pool from up here. Looking southward, straight down the strip, you can see way off in the distance is Mandalay Bay. And closer up, here's Planet Hollywood, the Cosmopolitan, the Veer Towers, the Waldorf Astoria. The strip is just really, really spectacular from up here. And then as I swung around to the Bellagio, I was able to capture a little bit of the water show going on below me. And hopped on the elevator. Because of social distancing, we were only 3 people on the elevator on the way down, 3 people on the way up. Safety first, even as you're going up the Eiffel Tower.
Paris is celebrating its 22nd birthday this year, and it's looking good. The property underwent a huge renovation in 2010, and this 95,000 square foot casino with the legs of the Eiffel Tower poking through the ceiling is remarkable. Let's take a look at some of the bars and restaurants in the Paris that are open now to serve guests. Okay, we dare you to ignore this bold red entrance. The infamous Gordon Ramsay opened this steakhouse in 2012, and it is an exceptional fine dining choice. Inside, it has a contemporary London ambiance and is famous for beef Wellington. Paula admits that this is her favorite spot inside the Paris casino, Le Café. It is your own little Paris sidewalk cafe with crepes, quiches, beignets, and croissants on the menu. What's not to love? The cafe serves breakfast, lunch, dinner, and drinks and is always open just for you. Le Central Bar, located here where the promenade, the lobby, and the casino meet, is an eye-catcher. Just look at the chandeliers and architecture in this beautiful open space. Le Central is a great place to have a glass of wine, beer, or specialty cocktail, and also do a little people watching as well. The promenade is a walkway of shops and eateries that connects Paris with Bally's and provides easy access to the self-parking garage midway between. Napoleon's Lounge is the piano bar currently open on weekend nights. Guests enjoy dueling piano performances, cigars, and drinks in a vintage Vegas atmosphere. La Crêperie was busy every time we walked by there during our stay. The smell of great food just draws you in. It is inspired by the walk-up sidewalk crêperies in France, and the menu features both sweet and savory fillings in endless flavor combinations. Martirano's is an eye-catcher here on the promenade, but unfortunately, this classy Italian restaurant isn't yet open. It features a kicked-up menu from Philadelphia chef Steve Martirano. It's time for a cold drink and some fabulous food. Off we go to Mon Ami Gabi and a seat on the patio. Okay, it has been a very busy couple of hours, hasn't it?
It has been. I just got down from the top of the Eiffel Tower. It was spectacular up there, and I'm definitely ready for some food and drink.
And we're at Mon Ami Gabi,
which is one of my absolute favorite places on the Strip. And believe it or not, here on the patio, it is cool and breezy, even though it's plus 100 out there.
I know we probably don't look too good. We're kind of sweaty and everything, but
it feels great.
It feels
honestly.
really great.
We've got the misters going and the umbrellas are up. It's a beautiful place to be.
Yeah, so we're going to order some food and we'll show it to you when it comes.
Yep. So we probably have not had trout at Mon Ami Gabi in well over a year, and we are so excited. There was no question what we were going to order. We're having trout amandine. It is the best.
All right, guys. They have a lot of good food here at Mon Ami Gabi, but this trout is really unbelievable. I'm just going to, let me just get a little bit here. Seriously, it's flaky. It's just the taste of the almonds and everything. Oh, it's delicious. Highly recommend that dish. And they have a lot of dishes here, so I really highly recommend this. All right, how was that trout almondine?
It was worth the wait. Like I said, it's been a long, long time since we had it, but it was amazing, incredible, good.
So guess what? We're going to do something we don't usually do. We got dessert.
We ordered dessert. We figured we were good. We had the trout. Plus, we've been busy all afternoon. So we got profiteroles.
Yeah, we'll show you what oh, they're here already. All right, we're doing good.
Oh my gosh, look how beautiful.
Oh, look at this. There they are. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that's for two people?
That's for two people.
Okay. We'll see you on the other side.
We're breathless. All right, here we go. That's great. It's great.
Well, we have to leave the mask down because we left the restaurant.
We're in the casino.
That was really good.
Honestly, we were just reading that Mon Ami Gabi is the most reviewed restaurant in Las Vegas. No wonder. It is just an all-time favorite of ours. If you've never been, we can't recommend it enough.
Yeah, really.
Go at least once.
And the service was
top
we had
notch. Wonderful service, and that dessert, oh my gosh, what a treat. It was amazing.
All right, we're going to move on. This has been one long day.
It has been. It's about 9 p.m. on Sunday night. We've been going strong since about 2.
I'm not exactly sure what we filmed, if we even have a vlog here, but
we need to go home and check it all out.
We need to go home and check it out, but this has been one long day. We have been all over this area.
We have been, and we hope we've captured some really good stuff for you guys. It's a hot July day on the Strip.
Time to go back up and lay in the bed.
And cool off for sure.
If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button and follow us on our social media accounts.
And thank you all for coming along on this staycation at the Paris. Short but sweet.
We hope you had a good time. We'll see you next time.
Bye,
Bye-bye, everybody.